This is what 7 hours of painting and a 2-hour nap does to you. Do you like my background? So pretty. Ooh. Today I'm going to be filming a Get Ready With Me. I'm going to a 21st at a club and I thought I would just film a Get Ready With Me. Sorry this video is up a little bit late. I planned to film a completely different video, but the person I was going to film it with decided to back out because he's a poo-poo, and so I had to come up with something else to do, and this is the next thing I could think of. I'm going to a black and white themed party, which would be a lot of fun except for the fact that I don't own any black or white clothing. I literally live in colour. I mean, technically we all live in colour. I don't like wearing black and white, so I literally am trying to get away with wearing a slightly green dress that's like a dark browny greeny colour that's kind of not, it's just not black, but I'm hoping the club's gonna be really dark so no one will be able to tell. Okay, so I'm gonna take off today's makeup because I look awful, and then I'm gonna fix this thing. Oh my god, it's so bad. No. And also, your girl cannot afford club priced drinks. So, grab a drink and sit with me while we drink together. This is vodka soda. Cheers.
If you are under the age of 18 or 21, depending on where you live, and are not allowed to drink alcohol, then why don't you grab like a cup of tea or a soft drink or coffee or something, or water, and drink that. I do not condone underage drinking.
Okay, I'm gonna start off by removing my makeup. My cheeks are so red. And then for my oh man, I look bad. For my eyes, I'm just gonna take 2 cotton rounds and Garnier Skin Active Micellar Rose Water Clean and Glow. My face is nice and clean. Cheers. Okay, moisturizer. I'm using my Olay Moisturizing Lotion. This is the sensitive skin one. I've used this since I was a child. My dad always had this, and this is what he used. So this is what we used. I've been using 2 primers. I don't know why, I just have been using 2 primers. So I'm gonna start with my Wet n Wild Rose 3-in-1 primer water. And then I'm gonna be using my Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer, which is the pore minimizing one. I've had this for a long time. It's probably well expired, but it still gets the job done. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Man, I look like a wreck. For foundation, I'm using what is this? The Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in the shade 110. I haven't really eaten anything in the last few hours, so I think that drink has hit me a lot faster than it normally does. What the heck? I look like I'm putting on clown makeup. Like, why? What? Okay, I'm gonna take a slightly darker shade. I've got these like W7 Skin Fresh concealers, which are a little bit orange for me usually. I'm just gonna mix some of this into my foundation. Does that look any better? Or is it just making it worse? I should just give up now. Okay, I swear I don't look like that in real life. What the heck, man? What? I look like I'm off White Chicks.
Squeeze me? Oh, no, you dick.
It's fine. It's fine. It's just one of those nights. I'm taking this Wet n Wild contour stick. I'm just trying to blend all my problems away. Oh my god. Does it look any better?
Did I say hot? I meant not.
Next is a concealer. This is the W7 Catwalk Concealer. And I'm just going to apply this under my eyes and on any highlights I want to add. And then also on my blemishes. There are so many. And then what I do is I like go to where like my jawbone I forgot about that. So I go to where like my jawline, not my jawline, my cheekbones end, and I'll just do like a line, and then that will help like clean up my bronzer. And I'm just taking my Maybelline Master Glaze by Face Studio Blush Stick, and I'm just going to put this on the apples of my cheeks. Fix this abomination. Okay, I think we're looking better. Powder. I'm using my Rimmel London Stay Matte Powder in number 4, which is Sandstorm. So many steps in this thing, man. I'm going to apply more blush and bronzer and highlight. So I'm taking my the Balm Bitty Luminizer, which is like the bronzer. It's shimmery and really pretty, so I really like it. Ooh! And blush, I'm using the Maybelline Master Highlight by Face Studio Highlighting Blush. It's just like this pretty. This color is coral. Oh, I'm just putting that on my cheekbones, and adds a little bit of shimmer, a little bit on my nose too. I'm gonna take my W7 Glow for Glory. This is just like a really cheap highlighter palette, but it's not actually that bad, so I'm just gonna do some mixing. Be really generous because I am going to a club. You guys, oh damn!
I'd rather be shining.
Sometimes I put too much highlight up here and it looks like sweat, and I think I just did that. Okay, so for brows, I have been loving this Maybelline Brow Satin. It's like a duo end brow pen. It's in dark brown. It's a little too dark for me. It is quite cool toned and blonde, as you can see. So it's a little bit dark, but it's okay. It gets the job done. So I just start by kind of like filling in like hair-like strokes. Sometimes I like box them up too much, but it's fine because I blend it out with a angled eyebrow brush. So I really soften the inner part on my eyebrow, and then I just blend through this back bit and drag my tail out. I'm just taking my Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette, Chocolate Gold, sorry. And I am going to take the chocolate truffle, cocoa truffle color, which is like a brown, more warm tone. It makes my brows look more like I could have grown them myself, even though I couldn't have, because my eyebrows come out clear, or like really light blonde, so I literally don't have any eyebrows naturally. I'm gonna be judged so hard for this, but like, it's real life. Okay, this is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara that I ran out of a very long time ago, but I use it on my eyebrows as a spoolie because I don't have a spoolie, and it has like this tiniest amount of product left that it just helps hold my eyebrows in place. I am probably just going to do a really basic eye makeup look. I'm going to take this Rollin' and Dough color from the same palette and just put this all over my lid. Ooh. And now I am going to take the same brown shade I used on my eyebrows, and I'm just gonna sweep this across my crease and blend it in. Oh, my brush is wet now from my eye liquid. And then I'm going to take the Decadent color, which is black, and I'm going to add a little tiny bit to the outer corner, and then I'm just going to blend that in towards my crease. And then I'm going to take this colour Soboji, which is kind of like in between the dog colour and the brown colour. So it's like a light tan brown colour. And I'm just going to put that on my lid. Okay. I'm going to put on some eyeliner. I'm going to be using the Ico London Skinny Liquid Black Eyeliner. This stuff's great. It's like a pen. I love it. I'm just going to add some mascara, and then I'm going to do my hair, and then I'm going to do my lip, and then, well, my lips, and then get dressed, and then we're good. Okay, I'm taking the eyebrow pencil I used before, and I'm taking the second end, which I don't use on my eyebrows, which is like a smudge tool, and I dip it in my brown eyeshadow, the like warm toned one. I've been doing this for the last couple weeks and I love it. So it's winter right now, so you can't see them, but usually when I have no makeup on, I have freckles just like over my nose and over my cheeks, and even in summer, as soon as I put makeup on, they're covered. So what I do is I just do like, I don't even care where it goes, I just do kind of like massive brown smudges all over my face. And I take my powder brush and I just very lightly just brush. I just got dressed. I'm running so late, like it's already started, but hey. Probably the only person as well that wears a turtleneck to a club, but like, gotta stay me, right? I am now just going to brush my hair out. I was gonna wash my hair and like shave my legs and do all that stuff today, but I didn't. So my legs are hairy and my hair is greasy. So I'm going to put my Batiste dry shampoo in my hair, and then on my ends I'm using my vanilla and sea salt texture spray, which I don't know where this is from, but it's just like a sea salt spray. Why does this suck? Oh, this stuff stinks. But I'm just going to zoom out so you guys can kind of see what I'm doing a little better. And I'm gonna mix this in. From like here up, I look like a cheerleader, but I promise you, I don't look like a cheerleader in my entire outfit. Okay, and then I'm just going to break the rules and use a mustard scrunchie to tie my hair up in a bun and pull out all my loose ends. Okay, and then for lipstick, I am just going to take this MAC Parenzel Sure. I think it's like some sort of, I don't know, limited edition thing they did, and I'm just gonna chuck this on my lips. I literally just dug that straight into my teeth. To finish it up, I've got my MAC Maleficent Red Liquid Lip Gloss stuff that's like super intense, so I'm just gonna chuck that on top. Did I get it on my forehead as well? Yep. Love that. Okay, that's my makeup done. Hey guys, it's a couple days later, but I forgot to film an outro because I was running so late. I only ended up staying at the party for like an hour and a half. Clubbing really ain't my thing, but it was fun and it was great seeing a lot of old friends and everything, so I had fun and I felt comfortable in what I was wearing, even though I was by far the only person wearing a turtleneck, but that's okay. So yeah, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up and hit the big red subscribe button down below. I post videos every Friday except for this video, which which is late, but I explained that in the video so you guys know that this video is up late. But there will be a new video on my channel on Friday, which I'm about to film right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Smile, be safe, and stay beautiful, and I'll see you in my next video. Adios.
Don't tell me, baby, 'cause I don't really wanna know what happened last night. Oh no, just say it